Do you know this letter? And what's the sound of this letter? Yes, it's k, 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 k. What about this letter? Yes, you are right. It's G. And the sound of G is g, 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 g. And this letter is great. What's the sound of H? It's what is this letter? It is B, and its sound is B, 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 B. And what is this letter? Yes, your guess is absolutely right. It is the letter G, and its sound is D, 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 D. Guess the letter of the alphabet. Guess the letter of this alphabet. Marvelous! It is E, and the sound of E is eh, 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 eh. What is this letter? Yes, you're once again right. It is the letter I, and the sound of I is E, 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 E. Do you know this letter? What's the sound of this letter? Yes, it's And what about this letter? Yes, your guess is absolutely right. It is the letter K, and its sound is What is this letter? Superb! Superb! It is the letter M, and its sound is M, 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 M. Do you know this letter? What's the sound of it? It's oh, 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 oh. What about this letter? Great! This letter is M, and the sound of M is N, 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 N. What is this letter? And what's the sound of it? It is R. R, 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 R. Tell me this letter sound. Genius! Its sound is Do you know this letter? Right! Its sound is G, 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 G. What about this letter? Great! And what's the sound of it? Yes, You are right once again. Its sound is t, t, t. Guess this alphabetic letter. Right answer. It is X and its sound is x, x, x. What is this letter? You gave the right answer once again. It is alphabetic letter Y and its sound is Y. Do you know this letter too? Amazing! And what's the sound of this letter? Yes, you're right. Its sound is oh. Guess this last letter of alphabet. Super cool! This is the letter Z and its sound is Z.